Thanks for watching Sky Champion and the Fat Ninja on Powamoto, customizing the Fat Ninja seat.
I want to do something with the lettering with my logo. Can I get the... And he's an upholstery guy? Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Here in Oakland Park, cars, boats, upholstery.com. That's what we're talking about.
Down the side, I want to see GTR 1400 in green. Okay.
Kind of like just where it says Concourse 14, right above it, in the leather.
In the leather.
That's gonna look
stitched
good.
in, diamond cut here.
It's gonna become more comfortable, right, with this?
Yep.
It provides a little bit of cushion as you diamond cut, right?
Diamond cut there. Kawasaki right here. Green tubing. Green tubing. Diamond cut up here.
Oh, I see.
And then we do Concourse 14 here.
On the back as well?
On the back up
right here, like this?
Uh-huh. And then we take the Ninja.
This one?
Yep, take that fat boy.
That one?
We're 8 inches, and we center him in the middle here. Green piping, maybe some stitching around here.
Look at this. Look at this upholstery work. Fantastic. If you want your seats done, and you want stitching on your leather, you need to come see this guy. How many years experience do you have?
20 years.
Oh, you've been doing it almost 20 years? Man, that's a long time.
No, I trust you on either one. I think that's too wide.
No, this is too wide.
Yeah, that's too
Because it's a
long.
bike, we want to make the diamond smaller, right? It makes sense.
But the spreading on it across the seat, because you'd only get like 3 or 4 diamonds across. I want to get a bunch of diamonds across on the seat.
What's the warranty?
Normally,
If this man said he had an issue, lifetime?
that means you can bring it, you know, how to fix
you'll
it.
restretch it.
I can fix it, you know how to pay me again.
What a nice guy. Look, he's got everything. You want to get your carpeting done inside your vehicle? Come see the guy. You need to get your upholstery done? Come see the guy.
Why don't you just show what kind of work we do?
Of course. Look at this headliner now. Stop playing with me. Wow.
A few days later.
So now you pulled this piece off, and then begins the work. Then begins the work of the Concourse 14. We'll be back to check on it. Thanks, guys. Keep up the great work.
Before and after.
Subscribe, comment, like, and share. This channel is about to blow up, and without you guys on Instagram, TikTok, my friends from overseas, YouTube family, Motorcycle Enthusiasts Unite, Powamoto. Subscribe!